How to withdraw on Binance Exchange to external wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you on how you can withdraw from Binance Exchange to external wallet. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through this video. First things first, what you want to do is you can simply go ahead and open up your Binance wallet. Once you have opened up the wallet here, you can either head into the assets tab here and view the assets here that you own. You can tap on it and you can see the withdraw option. You can see deposit withdraw option, or you can simply from the home screen directly head into more option and you shall see here deposit and withdraw option as well right here. So you can see under common function deposit and withdraw option. So what you can do in order to withdraw is head into assets, select the crypto or asset that you would like to withdraw to external wallet, then tap on withdraw option here. Now here you can see you can send to known crypto address via crypto network option. You can tap on it and now you can place in the address here, enter in the network, choose the network here and select the amount and then select withdraw. Similarly, if you wish to transfer, you can tap on transfer and get transfer from your funding to spot wallet as well. However, if you wish to transfer to external wallet, tap on withdraw and select send via crypto network and choosing the address and send it. This is how you can send crypto from Binance Exchange to external wallet. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.